catching pigs with Eric, man. Get this big boy back in the water. Good peacock here.
Hey guys, it's the morning here. I think it's like a 5-hour putt from here to Decatur, Georgia, which is where my family lives. We're gonna be spending a few nights there, which is really nice of them. Yesterday was just an awesome day out there with the South Holston River Company, Brady Carter. Subscribe to the YouTube channel also to see how the days went in person with Alex behind the camera. That's the man right there.
Look at these mountains.
We were out of service yesterday. We are back in service, baby. Back in action. Scenic overlook out here in Tennessee, right at the border of North Carolina. How you feeling?
Living the dream, dude.
Living the dream.
This storm looks dumb, big. Stupid dumb. All right, wait for the crash scene.
Oh, Christ.
Dang.
He hit there and then came over to this side. It looks alright.
Yeah, he's good.
My God.
He had a convertible. He shouldn't park there. Jeep? You ever heard of that story? I don't know. Holy chi-chis. I am currently nervous eating. Oh, no, that's an ambulance.
That's a fire truck.
Oh, yeah. Ambulance.
That's sad.
Life on the road.
Come on this way. Got something to show you guys. Tallulah Falls. It's the gorge right here between North Carolina and Georgia. And I mean, we just saw a sign for a scenic overlook, so we decided, what the heck, might as well check it out. And I'd say that's well worth it.
This is insane.
Yeah, this is pretty dope.
Good morning, followers of the ANGLR Tour. We're currently about 5 minutes out from Lake Lanier. We're gonna put the guide service right there. We're gonna be targeting stripers today. Fish that I've never caught. Have you ever caught a striper?
Yeah.
So I guess I'm the loser here. Hopefully I'm gonna get on my first striper, another species to the ANGLR Tour. Catch up with you guys once we meet up with our captain.
Start epic music now.
Okay, our throwable device.
Yep.
Do me a favor, if you have to use it during the day, throw it very accurately. You only have one shot to save your friend or my life. There's no line attached to it. If at any point during the day you feel like we need the fire extinguisher, do me a favor, grab a life jacket and get off of the boat. They're only going to pay for the brand spanking new boat if it burns to the water line. Leave the fire extinguisher alone. What I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you up front, okay? And then I'm going to stick 4 rods out the back of the boat with live bait on it. As we're going down that bank, just fling away whatever you want to fling. We're going to go down around that corner and all the way to the end. So we'll see what we can come up with.
pick up the Topwater first, just to try and get one blow up. So,
Oh yeah, look at the sky.
yeah,
No wind.
oh,
Got me excited back
there
there.
was one. There was one.
He just swung at it.
No way.
All right, guys, I'm sorry. I can't start it that well. Sorry you had
Ooh,
to,
big
I'm
old.
sorry you had to make 2 casts.
New species for the trip.
Well, most everything.
Go. Oh, buddy, come on. Go.
Oh, bomb that. Jeez, oh Pete. That was cool.
Good job.
We're fired up. Cameraman might have to get on here in a second.
Cool little spot. See ya. I'm drowning bait. Yep, you know me, Henry. You get throat hooked fish. Throat hooked fish. If you will take a pair of pliers and come through the gill like that, and when you grab the hook, you just rotate the hook will pop right out.
Wow.
Every time. They're all beat up right now. They're just finishing spawning, so tails aren't pretty, but they're absolute gorgeous gold and green and black.
They are beautiful.
Gorgeous fish.
My lord.
Oh! No! Go.
Oh my god. That was freaking nuts.
Oh. That's your heart.
Bless my heart.
I'll have to do the south.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, yep. Thank you.
Don't ever give up. And that's a little dent. Just never quit.
These are thick fish.
And like I said, they're pretty much done spawning. That's just them eating.
That's just how fat they normally are. Beauties.
How do people go to like office jobs?
I'm not real sure. I really like my office, that's for sure. This is a pretty great office.
Another beautiful little spot. See you, buddy. Straight back down. But he's being a strong cameraman. We got to get a striper on camera, and then it's going to be all hands on deck, GoPros, fishing action. We're here with Striper Experience.
Topwater spots
It is crazy.
in this clear, beautiful setting of Lake Lanier.
No office jobs.
No office jobs. Hashtag no office jobs.
That's the striper, guy.
All right, coming.
You think that's a striper, huh?
Good lord, that thing took off. Hooked up with a pretty decent fish here. It's been pretty much non-stop action since we got out here. Blow-ups happening all over the place. All the rods going off. It's only been spots so far, but we're hoping that the ANGLR Tour can touch its first striped bass today. I'm used to, last time we were cranking on fish, it was catfish. Oh my lord. And we were using 100-pound line. Still 50 feet out. Come on, fishy. He's dogging. That's crazy.
He said, "This is mine."
This is madness. Oh. Look at the line peeling off. This is nuts. There it is. Beautiful. Wow.
Come on, Frank. We'll try that.
That is awesome. The first striped bass of the angler tour. Oh wow, look at the hook right in the corner of his mouth.
That circle hook would be right there. That's where it's supposed to be. You got him. There you go.
Beautiful. First striped bass. We're on the angler tour here.
Great job, Jacob.
Marking that guy up. Ooh. Ooh. Yeeks. Good Lord.
Good catch.
I've never held a bass this big, so that's a new feeling, I'd say. We're being put on the fish here. Best guy in the game. Look at that.
Target.
You guys can see the point that we marked this fish on, angler.com/tour. That's where all our waypoints are going to be. So check this guy out on there, the blog about how we caught him, and let's get this guy back in the water.
Just drop him on his nose. He'll take right off.
Off he goes. Woo! Appreciate
Good job.
it. Thank you. That might be the best freshwater fish I've ever caught. That was amazing.
Yeah.
Those things are beautiful. It had that little purple iridescent tint to it.
Oh,
Whew. I looked back and then I looked forward. No, don't do that to me. I thought he had it though. I looked back and my... Go. He's not too bad. God, they do fight like mad. Holy smokes. Woo!
They're right there on the little...
Oh, that was sweet.
No.
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know. You might have been filming and now you're not. I can't tell.
Ooh, look at them chubbies.
Alex's came off and then decided it wanted to still eat after getting hooked once. Woo! So far, it's been crazy so far, guys. We've just been laid into probably 10 fish now total, maybe more. The topwater bite was popping off. Cloud cover was strong. We've had a change in conditions now. Sky's opened up, sun's out, it's warming up, so the topwater bite's dying down a little bit. We're gonna go run to a different location here and check out a few different spots, see if we can, spots, that's a pun. Spots, check out some spots.
So we're out here fishing like we're in saltwater. We're fishing bridge pilings with live bait and just destroying spotted bass.
Yeah. Oh, good one. There it is.
Yeah, buddy. I love the shake.
Spots are crazy.
That sounds great.
Come on.
Who's got who?
Yeah.
Woo! Nice little guy. Look at the belly on him.
Big old belly.
Big old bit.
Another species to the angler tour. You guys are gonna have to, can you lift these guys or?
If you will keep his jaw extended like that, you can.
Okay.
Okay? But if you give him any pressure, any loosen up a little, he's going to bite down on you. Okay?
Okay.
So you decide if that's what you want to do.
Yeah.
Cool. So, first channel catfish of the angler tour. Not exactly the targeted species. I was not planning on catching one of these bad boys, but something thumped my bait fish, and turns out it was a catfish. It was fighting really weird, and I had no idea if it was a bass or a spot or a striper, but it was neither. So, marked this guy up in the app with the bullseye, and we're gonna get him back in. chunky little catfish. See you, bud. They're quick. So clear. Literally watched this fish eat it right off the top. It hit the water, and then there was just a bunch of splashing, and the line came tight. The circle hook did its job and stuck him. Another nice little spot right in the corner of the mouth. Another beautiful spotted bass out here. We are, what was the bait fish of choice?
Blue herring.
Blue herring. So Captain Ron went to the bait store for us from Striper Experience, got us some blue herring. We've been catching a bunch of spots all day. I got one striper on board, so adding a few more species to the ANGLR tour. You guys are gonna have to check it out, www.angler.com/tour. Got it right that time. It's also gonna be in the blog, some little tidbits, some stories from the day, so make sure you guys are keeping up with that, as well as the YouTube page. Get this fish back in, we'll get the boat out, and we'll have a good end to the day. See you, bud. Another successful day of the tour. Ron from Striper Experience took us out. It wasn't exactly a striper day, but it was definitely a spotted bass day, which I don't think either of us had a true spotted bass day. Would you agree?
Yeah, it was wild.
The explosions on Topwater from those spotted bass were unlike any fish I've ever fished for. So make sure you guys are keeping up to date with the videos. That's going to be a wrap here from Lanier, Lake Lanier in Georgia, but tomorrow we're sticking around in Georgia for the Chattahoochee. So get excited for that. It's going to be back to the trout waters. Hopefully Alex can get on his first brown. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed some of this crazy topwater footage from here out in Lake Lanier on the ANGLR tour.